Sharing quantities in a given ratio. Example 6, pause the video and have a go. John and Paul share £200 in the ratio 3:2. How much do they each get? Well, the ratio here is 3:2, and that tells you that the total number of parts is 5. So there are 5 parts in the ratio. And the 5 parts will equal to £200. So £200 is your 5 parts. So if you want to work out one part, you get 200 and divide it by 5, which gives you 40. So £40 is one part. How much do they each get? Well, John is the first person mentioned, so he's the first part in the ratio. He gets 3 parts. So that would be 3 40s. 3 times 40. He would get £120. Paul would get the remaining amount from 200, which would be £80. And that should be 2 parts, 2 40s. So you can check it both ways. These two numbers should add up to the amount that you've shared at the beginning.